Hello students, welcome to English class. Today I am going to give you explanation from your lesson number 4, Tom's Plan Fall Through, from your novel. I hope you have understood with the last 3 chapter, and now I am going to give you a description of this chapter number 4. Now in this chapter we'll come to know that Tom's plan fall through, how does it happen, and what fall the tricks and reason behind his plan. Now it was the Monday morning made Tom Sawyer miserable. He thought of ways to avoid school. Now, student, as we all are in student life, we always on Monday we feel like to sleep more and to skip school. So in the same way, Tom was also like that. So it was the Monday morning made Tom Sawyer miserable. He thought of ways to avoid school. He tried to pretend that his sore toe was painful. Now he's, pretending in front of Aunt Polly that his toe was painful. He was able to impress Sid, who called Aunt Polly. Now, Sid was sleeping along with him, and he thought that if he'll show in front of Sid, then he'll definitely convey it to Aunt Polly, and Aunt Polly will let me be in home. So when Aunt Polly understood he was faking, Tom said it was his tooth was paining. Now, when he thought that Aunt Polly caught him, then he had planned another excuse for not going to school. His tooth was paining. Using a thread silk, his tooth was pulled out, and for this, he was envied by his schoolmates in school. Now he's saying that because of school silk thread, his tooth was pulled out, and for this, he was envied by his schoolmate in school. Shortly, Tom came across Huckleberry Finn. Huckleberry was the son of the town drunkard. Now, Huckleberry Finn is a friend of Tom, and he is the son of town drunkard. He was idle, lawless, and vulgar, but all the boys of respectable families admired him. Now, he was idle, he was lawless, he is vulgar, but respected family admire him. Why? Let's know further. They felt that he had everything that made life precious. Now they everyone think that he had everything that made life precious. Tom and Huckleberry talk about a number of ways to cure warts. Now they are talking about number of ways to cure warts. You know warts? Please search the kind of massa. Now Huckleberry cites dead cats, spunk, water, a visit to the graveyard, etc. as cures of warts. After talking a lot of nonsense, Tom exchanged his tooth for a tick and left Huckleberry. Now they are planning, Huckleberry cited dead cats, spunk water, a visit to the graveyard as cure for what? After talking a lot of nonsense, Tom exchanged his tooth for a tick and left Huckleberry. When Tom reached school late, his master asked him why he was late. The master was angry when Tom told him that he had stopped to talk with Huckleberry Finn. The master spanked him and made him sit with the girls. Tom tried to befriend the girl and showed some drawings on his slate. After some time, his name was Becky Thatcher. Tom playfully scrawls "I love you" on his slate, and Becky feels pleased to see it. Now he was doing mischievous activity in class. The master comes near Tom and grasping his ear drags him and deposits him in the seat. Now master came and he saw that he was doing mischievous activity, and he is trying to befriend the girl with whom he was sitting, and then the master come near to Tom and grasping his ear drag him and deposit him in his seat. Now on the next video I'll give you what happened next with Tom and with that girl, and please keep on watching my video. Thank you and have a good day.